Hi, I am Lewis Jones with Mimaki USA. My job is to make it easier for you to understand the different features and programs that print operators should be using with our printers. Today, that means talking about Job Creator. So, what is Job Creator? It is a Mimaki engineered software that works with RasterLink7. It's a plugin that lets you save presets based on previous jobs. Now, these presets will have all of your print information. So your resolution, your pass count, how you made your file, how you arranged your layers, even how you created your special plates like your white or your clear layers. The good news is, if you've updated your RIP software like you should be doing every few months, you already have Job Creator on your computer. Just click a button inside RasterLink and a new window will pop up. Starting a new file on new material takes a lot of trial and error and testing. We want to limit the amount of testing that you have to do on future jobs. Say you're a business that only makes stickers on the same material every day. With Job Creator, all you have to do is make one perfect sticker file and then use that as a base for all of your future jobs. This cuts down your printing time in half by eliminating all future testing and the times that you're checking if your resolution or profiles are correct. Let's continue with the sticker example that I brought up. Once I have the perfect sticker file for me, with my layers combined and the perfect resolution and profile selected, I'm going to go into my backup tab and save all this print information into one file. Then, all I need to do is open up Job Creator. Press Create, and select the file that I saved before. This will open up a new window for this preset. I'm going to write out my printer information here so that I know what settings are in this file in the future, and press Save. Now, whenever I want to make a new sticker file, I'll just click on these settings, press Next, and load in my printer information here. Now I have a preset for all of my stickers going forward, and anytime I want to make a new sticker, I'll select my preset, go to Next, and then load my sticker information here. If I press Create, a new file will be loaded into RasterLink, ready to print. I hope you've seen how valuable this program can be to your business, and be ready for more in-depth reviews on how Job Creator works from Mimaki in the future.